Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How far will you go this summer? Reach for the stars with the AI Summer Program 2025. Get hand on experience in astrophysics and space sciences from anywhere in the world. Join researcher and science communicator at the Institute of Astrophysics and Space Sciences, where you will carry out a real research project in cutting edge astronomy or science outreach. No fees, just curiosity, passion, and commitment. Up to 6 hours a day, guided by top scientists. At the end, you will present your discoveries at a final seminar and take your big step into the universe of research. Please apply by 26th May and be part of something stellar. The universe is waiting for you. Will you take the leap? Just drop your comment. Thank you.